Good morning, student. Today we are going to start one new topic in partnership guarantee of profit to a partners. In this case, the partners are giving the guarantee of any one partner or two partners that any type of loss or any set amount that should be get in future as a profit. In this type of topic, one person may be giving the guarantee or two person to another person if any type of loss or if amount will less than from that amount that remaining amount paid by the guaranteed partners. Just see one question. Three partner is there, his profit sharing ratio 2 is to 1 is to 2 is to 2 is to 1, and the guarantee minimum 10,000 as share of profit every year. Any deficiency take by the remaining partners, and profit of the 2 year ended first year 60,000 and second year first year 40,000, second year 60,000. Now we are going to start first year per PL present account 40,000 we are showing on credit side. Then just divide this profit in all partner in his profit sharing ratio. Then the amount will come 16,000, 16,000, 8,000. But Suresh have the guarantee about 10,000, and this guarantee is given by the Babita. So Suresh amount is 8,000 only, but the guarantee for 10,000, the remaining amount 2,000 add in Suresh, and that amount will less from Babita. Okay, 2,000 less from Babita capital and add in Suresh capital, because Babita is given the guarantee. Only Babita is given the guarantee, so only Babita will pay the deficiency of Suresh. Now go for the second case. The profit is, just see, 60,000, that is divided in the all partner 24, 24 and 12. Here he is already get the more than 10,000, 10,000 guarantee, less than 10,000 for that guarantee. He is getting the more than 10,000, so nothing will pay by the Babita, because already Suresh get the more than 10,000. Okay, clear? Now we are going for the one more question. A, B and C are the partners sharing profit in the ratio of 5 is to 4 is to 1. C is given the guarantee that his share of profit is any given year would be 5,000. Deficiency if any would be borne by the A and B equally. The profit of the year ended 31st March 2016. It's a 40,000 only pass necessary general entry. It means first we are going to transfer this 40,000 in PL appropriation account, and then this amount will distributed in his partners 4 is to ABC, 4 5 is to 4 is to 1. Then the amount will come that first is A 20,000, second 16,000, third it means C 4,000. But they have the guarantee about this. They have the guarantee because 4,000, and they have the guarantee about the 5,000, 1,000 less, 1,000 given by the A and B in his equal ratio. So less 1,000 less 1,000 divided in two part 500 500, that 500 less from the A capital and B capital, and that will add in C capital, and just see the entry. PL account debit to PL appropriation for the transferring of the PL in PL appropriation, then appropriation loss or profit, the profit is there, transfer in the A, B and C capital, to A capital, to B capital, to C capital, 40,000, 19,500, 15,500 and 5,000. On this way we are solving the question. In the case of guarantee, if any type of guarantee is there, then we are going to solve the question of this way. Okay, clear? Thank you.